Hello, boys and girls. Hope you all are good. And are you ready for this new RC? Something that is actually going to blow you away. Slightly more challenging, slightly difficult, जिसको कहेंगे. But yes, it is so interesting that you would, at the end, you would say, oh wow, this was something. और ये किस पे है? इन पे है. Bumblebees. So, tiny brains and big breakthroughs. Of course, in CAT, you're not going to get the title. You have to locate the main idea. But यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे ही लिख दिया just for fun sake. Genre, behavioral ecology, science कहना would be like very broad. So behavioral, अब इसमें psychology, sociology तो ला नहीं सकते connected with the bumblebee. So it's related to behavior and of course connected with the ecology as well. Level, as I said, slightly difficult. So roll up your sleeves. Let's start. Now, the first sentence. Contrary to their name, bumblebees are no bumbling oafs. Of course, I'm not going to explain the whole passage to you. You know the drill. I'm just going to show you what the passage is about. That's the first step. Then I'm going to go over to the question stems, sneak peek, come back, do my active reading, and then start solving. But when I take a look here, the first sentence catches my eye. Contrary to the name, bumblebees are no bumbling oafs. As you can see, short sentence. Okay. And I remember one passage was there which said something like mercantilism has been the whipping boy of economics. So, उससे start किया था. Whenever you come across such sentences, अभी जैसे मैंने एक दो ये वाला और वैसा बताया. Some sentences that kind of are trying to draw your attention to something that happened, or like maybe somebody was blamed or something. तो उसमें question set होगा. This is a good question pocket because यहाँ पे inference बहुत easily बनेगा. Okay, so the first sentence says this: bumblebees are no bumbling oafs. What is bumbling and what are oafs? ये आपको समझना होगा. Means you should kind of amp up your vocabulary because otherwise you will not be able to infer anything from here. Okay, now let's proceed. New study, okay, relatively primitive bumblebees' brains. I'm just glancing at the passage, okay? So, series of experiments. They conducted some experiments as well. Test was designed, okay. Not every bee was successful. So, what did they find out? Aisa hai kuch. All right, and the researchers are planning new experiments. So, here the author is connecting the results of the previous experiment with something that can lead us to more breakthroughs. हो सकता है ना? Passage looks pretty cool. Let's check the questions. Which of the following captures the primary implication of the study? Now, please remember this. This is not asking you for main idea. Okay? This is implication of the study described in the passage. So, this makes it paraspecific, right? Okay, next. The researchers chose an experimental task involving styrofoam ball rolling. Again, connected with the experiment. Why did they choose this? Specific, because so inference, right? Next, based on the passage, the behavior of the bees that cheated. I understand from here that during the experiment they discovered something, that the bees had cheated. Specific, during the experiment supports which of the following assertions? This would support which of the following assertions? Assertion means claim. Claim means conclusion. So we are going to look for one conclusion from the paragraph. Conclusion is a kind of inference. So this has to be true from the passage. The others will be false, false, false. Right? And the fourth question. Statement bumblebees are no bumbling oafs. First line. Functions to do what? Interesting. All the four questions are amazing. चलिए पैसेज भी तो थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. अब एक चीज आपको बता देती हूं मैं. Here, don't read the passage yet. There are 6 paragraphs. Okay, something like 650 words. Okay, which is not very unusual for cat. But if you think of reading such a long passage word for word, you will lose a lot of time. Even this length can be read in 2 minutes. If you do a little bit of active reading, that is where I come into the picture. I'll show you how to do that active reading. चलिए साथ में. Contrary to their name, no bumbling oafs. Okay? Do you want me to explain the meaning of this? फिर तो मजा ही खत्म हो जाएगा उस particular sentence का. छोड़ देते हैं अभी फिलहाल इसको. A new study found what? Utilize tools to solve complex problems to win a sugary treat. Maybe in order to get a lollipop or a piece of cake or something, they utilize some tools to solve complex problems, even if they had never been trained. Okay? So, यहाँ पे आप देखो, in fact, right? Still, you see the flow of the para. I understand that this is not completely descriptive. There is an argument here. Okay? But here, the argument is not like some dominant hypothesis and the author goes against it. No. The dominant hypothesis is maybe here. Okay? He says, contrary to their name, they are not this. So what do? They do this. Right? So something, this is his claim. Even if they had never been trained to use the tools in any context. They had never been trained, still they could do it. That means they are intelligent. In fact, that's an assertion. Some of the bees even cheated, connected with a question. So I pause here, or at least slow down. Skipping the problem altogether, reap the reward, and the researchers found. This isn't the first time bumblebees have been seen to use tools, usage of tools. Okay, there was a cat passage some 2-3 years back that talked about some creatures using tools. I don't remember, crows or whatever it was, something was there. So, a 2016 study, for example, found that such bees could learn to pull a string to receive a reward, and that untrained bees could learn this trick from their more educated peers. Same thing that he has said here. Even if they had never been trained, they could learn from their educated peers. Still, it adds to the evidence that creative this aren't just the domain of this. So the first para is extremely important here. What do I sum up after this? Bumblebees, not bumbling oafs. Okay, so what do? They use tools to solve problems. Solve problems bole to make quick decisions on the spot. Okay, to win what? A sugary treat. And ye bola hai, creative problem solving and tool use aren't just the domain of these. So even these bumblebees can do this. Right? Now, bumblebees' brains are relatively primitive. Primitive means not evolved. They have around 1 million neurons compared with this. So our brains have evolved 86 billion. Look at the comparison. They are still primitive. Okay. Yet, new experiment indicates, okay, doesn't necessarily require complex. Okay, done. This paragraph talks about how you don't require only brain in order to solve complex problems. Because इनका brain तो है ही नहीं. मतलब 1 million है compared to 86 billion in human brains. So उनका तो primitive है. Still they can do it. So having only gray matter is not very important, right? यहाँ बोला है require bigger brains. ये skim कर लो. Bigger bodies, bigger brains, okay, long-term memory, all right. Done. और यहाँ बोला whereas bees are living in rapidly changing environments. ये पता है क्या कह रहा है यहाँ पर last line में? It could be that animals that need more long-term memory, animals that don't live in rapidly changing environments, maybe they need to live in the same place and they need to remember a lot of things. Maybe that's why they have bigger brains. But our bees live in this rapidly changing environments. Then he goes to this para. He talks about a series of experiments, not one, but a series. divided. I'm not going to read the experiment because I've said this earlier. If there's a research, a study or an experiment, do not focus on the actual experiment unless there's a question. There can be a true-false question connected with that portion. But what is the more important thing? Why was the study conducted and what did they find? Okay? So bumblebees were divided into groups and put through this. Basic setup, blah, 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 blah. Sugar filled, okay. Built, couldn't hover under the flower, all right, okay, instead. I pause here. Instead, the bees had to get the ball into the right pit, okay. जाने दो, वो भी वही experiment का part है. So, this whole para, skim. The test was specifically designed to be unlike anything that bees would face in their natural environments. This reminds me of what? This. Utilize this even if they had never been trained to use the tools in any context. Right? This is what the first line here says. Test was designed to be unlike anything. Okay? So they were not like preconditioned for it. है ना? Apparently bumblebees really enjoy rolling balls. Okay, fine, we weren't interested. Acha. We weren't interested in this. Instincts. So what were you interested in? Not this, but that. We were interested in the flexibility, decision making, problem solving, creativity. Right? You need to have something okay, experiment, all right, okay. बस इतना skim कर लिया मैंने. Now, not every bee was successful. Something important. I need to read a little bit from here. Why? Because this is telling us what they found out. है ना? But that doesn't necessarily mean there's such a thing as stupid bumblebee. Oh. Every bee was not successful. That doesn't mean they are stupid. If I didn't reach a particular place, that doesn't mean I am stupid. Maybe I reached some other place which the others knew nothing about. Right? So, वही कह रहा है यहाँ. Bees may be like people. Some might lack motivation. Okay, technically failed, may have actually outsmarted by learning to work smarter, not harder. Reminds me of what? First para, they cheated. Right? We didn't report this. Okay, recorded. Okay, we found some individuals cheating. Again, that point is here. They cheated. They did not want to go through the rigmarole of doing this. तुमने मुझे बोला ये गोला छुओ, उसको पकड़ के लाओ, string खींचो. What is the end product? I have to reach that sweet, that sugary treat. मैं चाहे कैसे भी करूं, मैं उड़ के करूं, गिर के करूं, लटक के करूं, जंप करके करूं, ग्लाइड करके करूं, तुझे क्या? That's what he's saying here. है ना? We found some individuals cheating. यहाँ क्योंकि बोला ना, they might be too stressed or hungry to solve the puzzle, or they might lack motivation. Right. Then he says here, studies lead author something designed in a way that they cannot fly and drink. Okay. Because the height was too low. Required to use the ball as a tool. A very few figured out that they don't need to use the ball at all. They could just hang off the ceiling and try to drink. Get the point? They circumvented that, whatever was given to them. They had to use the ball as a tool. So the first para says this. They can use tools, but then some cheated. That doesn't mean they are stupid. They figured it out. करना क्या है? Just hang off the ceiling and try to drink from the flower. तो उसके लिए बॉल में मरने क्यों जाए? रोल क्यों करने जाए? Okay. Already planning new experiments, better monitor. Okay. These could help reveal, okay, experience akin to aha moment. All right. Okay, understand about this. There's also hope. This much of skimming is enough because it tells me that, okay, this author is hopeful about these results giving us further breakthroughs. How they can alter, okay. The next steps would be to see, okay, physical properties, okay, if they can understand, all right. Tools, objects, done. So what are the important zones in this passage? Like without reading everything word for word, we know some study was conducted, like some experiment, to find out if they can use tools and their brains are primitive. Still, they could do complex problem solving, decision making, right? That is what, in the end, he says, we are hopeful that these results will take us somewhere. And then what will we be able to find out based on this? यहाँ अगर देखना है, question अगर होगा आ जाएंगे, right? But we definitely know what is where. That's enough. Which question would I want to start with? Implication? Um, Not exactly. Implication, ठीक है, must be there in the last para. Implication is what? Implication is how can this affect the world, or how is this connected with the world? I know where this is, but not exactly the one that I would want to start with. So styrofoam, yes, and then cheated wala a little later because it's true false. I would want to do this second because I know the meaning of this and this. If you don't know the meaning, you can try once. Maybe you'll get it in context. चलिए try करते हैं, पर पहले तो ये. So, chose an experimental task involving styrofoam ball rolling. Okay, you need to go back to that styrofoam ball rolling wala, right? Yeah. Series of experiments. All right. Yeah. So, here I'm going to check this. Bumblebees were divided into this and put through a series of tests, all involving the same setup. So styrofoam was part of it. A small chamber, several pits in the floor, gadde. If the bees rolled a styrofoam ball, styrofoam is something similar to thermocol, into the correct pit, they could climb onto it and drink from a sugar-filled fake flower on the ceiling. Goes into the pit, they could climb on it and drink from that. तो वही उन लोगों ने सर्कमवेंट किया एंड दे रियलाइज कि सीधा ऊपर से लटक के पी लो ना भाई, यहाँ से नीचे से मेहनत क्यों करना है, राइट? नाउ द चेम्बर वाज बिल्ट सो द बीज couldn't have couldn't hover under this, all right? Instead the bees, the test was specifically designed to be unlike anything the bees would face in their natural environments. This is enough for us. Apparently bumblebees really enjoy rolling balls. Balls यहाँ भी mentioned है, I'll just read that bit. But there is no evidence that bees in the wild might roll a ball. They enjoy rolling balls, but is it something that they are used to? Because in the wild, where would they get the balls? तो ये हो गया काफी. Let's go to this now and eliminate. So they chose this. Why? What could be the reason? Now, if you start thinking with external knowledge, it could be anything under the sun. Okay, so we are going to go with elimination based on what is given there. You agree with me? Okay. It isolated conscious decision making from hardwired evolutionary behavioral patterns. Isolated conscious decision making. Yes, it is talking about decision making. Okay, I'll keep this. Then, bumblebees demonstrate an inherent playful affinity for spherical objects in the wild. ये कर दिया ना लोचा. Yes, they show, they demonstrate an affinity. वहाँ बोला है. They enjoy rolling balls for fun. But there's no evidence that these balls are there in the wild. So he says here, playful affinity or penchant or liking for spherical objects in the wild? Not exactly. Right. It allowed researchers to simultaneously monitor physiological changes and instantaneous breakthrough insights. This is fine, but physiological changes in the bumblebee, were there physiological changes? I don't think so. So this is eliminated. Simultaneously monitor. Abstract spatial puzzles are the standard benchmark for comparing insect intelligence with avian and primate intelligence. Abstract puzzles. Do you see the standard benchmark? Does the passage say anywhere that this is what researchers generally use whenever they have to compare insect intelligence and so bumblebees or spiders or whatever with avian, birds and bandar ka intelligence? This is definitely not given, eliminated. Or let's say even if you're left with D and A. चलो मान लेते हैं, ठीक है? D and A बच गया. We have to take one and prove it. So, which one are you more inclined towards? मैं तो definitely A. Why? Because decision making. Why did they choose styrofoam? Decision making something they wanted to prove. What were they trying to prove? That these insects can actually make some decisions. They can, they can be creative, they can make decisions, they can act, they can do something. So it isolated conscious decision making from hardwired evolutionary behavioral patterns. The para there clearly says that this is not something that they were used to in the wild. And he says here, unlike anything, the test, the setup was unlike anything that they would face in their natural environments. So, what do we infer from here? The researchers didn't want them to have that inherent inclination. Okay, maybe in the wild they were used to having these styrofoam balls. So the moment they saw these balls, they would act instinctively because they are used to that, right? So the researchers didn't want them to have any instincts related to that, inherent instincts. That's why they did this. The setup was something like they had never experienced before. So it isolated conscious decision making on the spot there and then. What would they do? How would they cheat? How would they circumvent? Would they suck the nectar from the flower? What would they do? From hardwired evolutionary this. So this is not given there explicitly, but this is what we infer from that line. That hardwired evolutionary behavior patterns, the inherent instincts that are there in animals, in creatures, the researchers didn't want this experiment to get influenced by that. हम सब में कुछ ना कुछ प्रेजेंट होता है, राइट? सो दे गिव अ न्यू सेटअप, राइट? देखना चाहते थे वहां पे कैसे दे वुड एक्ट. So between A and D, definitely this is the answer because this connects with that sentence. So A is good. Why not D? Because yes, standard benchmark. It is not given like, standard benchmark, not even for insects this is saying. It's saying for comparing this with this. So you can call this faulty comparison maybe. All right, you have learned faulty comparison with me in process of elimination. So we are done with this question. Okay, now I said we can do this bumbling oafs. The question is not even asking us just inference of this sentence. No, it's saying statement functions what? As what? Means why is the author giving you this sentence at the starting of the passage? And then he goes on to explain the main point. Right. He says, contrary to popular belief, there are no bumbling oafs. And then he says, a new study found that they have, they can solve complex problems and whatever, right, to win a sugary treat. Okay, this much reading is enough. Let's go back and eliminate. So, contradict historical biological classifications regarding insect motor skills. This is not about motor skills, no matter how tempting this option looks. Contradict historical biological classifications are contrary to popular belief, so contradict. This is a trap. Eliminate it because it's not about motor skills. Motor skills are your movements. This is about decision making, about creativity, about using tools to solve complex problems, right? Introduce a rhetorical contrast, ये भी रखूंगी मैं because contrast, between linguistic nomenclature. Nomenclature is how you label things. So, contrary to popular belief, bumble, because the word bumble, that is linguistic, she was a bumbling 30-year-old. Bumbling means a stupid one, a moron kind. Okay? So, yeah, bumble, because the word bumble is there in their name, and bumble means silly, oafish, idiot. और ये है ना. So bumble का meaning, literal meaning like linguistic के हिसाब से, linguistic पे जाके bumbling oaf is idiot, dunce, thick-headed. Because the word is here, people thought bumblebees are idiots, right? So rhetorical contrast, yes, between linguistic nomenclature, linguistic because it's connected to language, the meaning, nomenclature, the way they are categorized, the way they are called, the way they are labeled, and empirical reality. They found something else, that is empirical reality. Empirical is based on observation, right? So this fits the bill. I'll keep this. Argue that insect behavior is governed by conscious intent rather than environmental stimuli. Is he trying to push back environmental stimuli so much that he would say that it is, governed by conscious intent? This is good. Insect behavior is connected with conscious intent. He wants to show this rather than environmental. No, he may be showing that besides environmental, this is also there. But rather than means this is not important. He is not doing that. Eliminated. Suggests that small-brained organisms possess a capacity for long-term memory retrieval. I remember there was a sentence that kind of talks the opposite, right? कुछ तो बोला था यहाँ, ठहरो, यहाँ. Wait. Here. Bigger brains, long-term memory require bigger brains. Our bees are living in this, so they don't require bigger brains and long-term memory. So this one says, small brain this possess the capacity for long-term memory retrieval? No, definitely not. Moreover, this is not connected with this. This is there right in the beginning. So this is your answer. Hope you have understood the explanation to this. Okay, so we are done with 2 questions. Now, ये करेंगे या ये करेंगे? चलो ये कर लेते हैं. Okay, based on the passage, the behavior of the bees that cheated during the experiment supports which assertion? Based on whatever we read, we know that they circumvented it and they said, okay, ज़रूरी भी नहीं कि हम पूरा काम करें, मेहनत करें, because maybe we lack motivation, maybe we are lazy, maybe, we are like, okay, जो भी, hungry or stressed. And some of the bees failed the test, they failed the test, but they may have outsmarted the competitors, contemporaries, okay? Because these bees ended up more successful, although they did not go through the drill, okay? By learning to work harder, not smarter, okay? This much reading is enough. Now, let's eliminate. So, small creatures may fail to comprehend the physical relationship between this. They were not failures. This is what he clearly says. Out. Direct pure observation allows untrained subjects to bypass the necessity of physical trial and error. It's given there somewhere. I remember reading it. Okay. Exploiting structural flaws in an environment requires a higher neural capacity than using designated tools. Now, than using this. Okay. Exploiting structural flaws means using structural flaws in an environment requires a higher neural capacity than using this. Is he actually trying to show that they have more neural capacity? Because unka to evolved hi nahi hai brain. Like, it's like only some 1 million or something compared to 86 billion or something. So higher neural capacity. And then he clearly says how we solve complex problems is not necessarily connected with the gray area. Usne bola hai na shuru mein, gray matter. So exploiting this in an environment requires higher this. This is opposite of what's given. Eliminated. Apparent failure under strict experimental criteria. So apparent failure. What is the meaning of apparent? Not clear. Apparent is it looks so, it appears so, but in reality it is not. So apparent failure. People think that they failed, but actually they have outsmarted their contemporaries. Bola bhi usme. Under strict experimental criteria, can mask or hide an underlying form of cognitive efficiency. This is what he's trying to show. Actually, they outsmarted their contemporaries. Hai na? So, between B and D, which is better? D, but why not B? Direct pure observation allows, I'll show you. Here. This was connected with the 2016 study. There are 2 studies. One is the experiment later, the styrofoam ball thing, and this was one study in 2016. Such bees could learn to pull a string, okay? And then aren't just this, kahan yahan bola tha na? Untrained bees could learn this trick from their more educated peers. So this has not been mentioned anywhere connected with this, right? So when I have to eliminate, I would definitely eliminate this and go with this, because this is a beautiful rephrasing of what is given there. आपको मैंने paragraph दिखाया था. I'll show it again. Here, this one. It hides actually the cognition thing. Learning to work smarter, not harder. We didn't report this. We observed a very cool thing that couldn't be recorded as a success was. We found some individuals cheating. The studies, this. The experiment was designed in a way, okay, required to use the ball as a tool. A very few individuals figured out that they don't need to use the ball and just hang off the flower and take the nectar, drink from the flower. Right? So monitor the bees' physiological responses. अब ये एक और question में जो था simultaneously. Already planning this will enable them to better monitor. वो simultaneously monitoring था, ये future का है. It will enable them. So वो तो वैसे ही eliminated था. ठीक है? So we go back to this. Between this and this is much better. As I said, this is a rephrased version. Done. And the last question captures the primary implication, not main idea. Study described. How will this affect the world? How will this help us? So I'm going to look at the options now. Organisms with smaller brains possess identical macro level cognitive and this identical as large brained. उसने बोला larger brain को maybe they need more like bigger brains for more long term memory, but our bees, our bumblebees are living in constantly changing environments, so इनको जरूरत नहीं है. So how can it be identical? Eliminated. Absolute neural mass and count are insufficient. Neural mass, gray matter, and count 1,086 billion something. We'll go back to that para. Are insufficient parameters for establishing upper boundaries of behavioral plasticity and problem solving. Problem solving, I understand from the para. What is this? But chalo, still, I'll keep it. The ecological pressures of rapidly altering natural habitats directly stimulate the structural evolution of tool use mechanics in insects. What does it say? Ecological pressures of what? Rapidly altering. Bola hai isne, they live in rapidly altering habitats. Directly stimulate what? Structural evolution, tool use mechanics. Does this govern it? Does this affect it so much? Does it stimulate? रख लेते हैं फिर भी इसको. ठीक है? Deviant behaviors like moving away from normal, like cheating, indicate that individual intelligence within a species varies based on baseline metabolic hunger and stress levels. Hunger bhi diya hai, stress level bhi diya, but don't get duped by this. The language is pretty like distorted. Kya keh raha hai? Deviant behaviors like cheating, same big paragraph, indicate what? Individual intelligence within a species, some cheated, varies based on baseline metabolic hunger and stress levels. Okay, some of them cheated. Okay, ये कह रहा है they might lack motivation, they might be stressed or hungry or something, but it wasn't determined by these things. जैसे आपका यहाँ पे option कह रहा है varies based on. So it shifts the spotlight to these two things, hunger, metabolic hunger and stress levels. Because of these two, they kind of cheated. He says it could have been any of these reasons. And it's not like, individual intelligence differs from one to one depending on this, right? So this is definitely a distorted version. Eliminated. I'm left with B and C. Now, between B and C, what do? We prove one. तो proof करने में तो definitely this we can prove. I'll go back to that, but why not this? C. The ecological pressures of rapidly altering this directly stimulate the structural evolution. Is this the implication of the study described? Implication means how does it help us? What do we get to learn from this? So directly stimulate the structural evolution of tool use mechanics in insects. This again limits it to insects. What is the implication? This can be maybe, if push comes to shove, this can be an inference. Kabhi correct nahi hai, but this is not an implication. Okay, so implication is what have we learned from it? What have we understood from it? I'll check this. require, doesn't necessarily require complex gray matter. Indicates this, number of this, okay. So we learned this, long-term memory and all is not needed. Then go to this, experience anything akin to aha moment, best way desired, all right. Really understand about the physical world, okay. Next steps would be to see, okay, physical properties of the objects. So, gray matter and this much we read. Now go back. This one connects with the second para. Absolute neural mass. How much gray matter do they have? And count. 1 million wala jo tha, are insufficient parameters. For what? Establishing upper boundaries? The limits? What? Behavioral plasticity. What is behavioral plasticity? This is a rephrased version of that point. Complex decision making, okay, and problem solving. I'll take you back once more. Yeah. Complex problem solving doesn't necessarily require this. Correlating with this, cognitive abilities, not correlating with cognitive abilities. That portion that I just showed you is rephrased here as this. Establishing upper boundaries of behavioral plasticity. Plasticity has nothing to do with plastic. This is how these insects, or this is, how we generally make decisions, okay, and problem solving complex situations wala isne bola hai. So B is good. Yoo-hoo! We are done with all 4. Weren't the questions absolutely incredible? I mean, मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आया इनको solve करने में, because they had like great process of elimination. Moreover, the passage was so challenging and it had like such good important zones that maneuvering through the passage was itself a great thing. I hope I have been able to make everything clear for you all. So, done. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you again soon. Keep learning.